Hi, good evening. This is Scott. Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention to the gold sector. Gold has been performing quite well over the last few weeks here. This is GLD, and you can see how it's just been a really nice trend. All the moving averages are in order, and it's been working. I mean, it's been working before. A lot of things have been working. Nice move off the low here. And so this is bringing my attention to some of the gold miners. GDX is looking really good. But if you want a little outperformance, maybe consider one of the individual miners like Franco Nevada. FNV. Now, I don't have a position in this, but this is definitely one of many that we're talking about over at StockMarketMentor.com. And so this stock is in a nice uptrend. It's above all the major moving averages and made a new high relative to almost all the highs here for the past couple of months. You can see how back here, this June resistance was pretty important, pulled all the way back off the October low, right back like a magnet to that resistance zone, got rejected, pulled back to the moving averages, and today we finally broke through, made a new high, and did it on a nice pickup in volume here. So this is definitely one to keep an eye on for a potential pullback buy opportunity to see if Franco Nevada can test the highs from back here at around 158, 159. That's about 5% higher. And if it can even come back here to the April 2022 highs, that would be a really nice swing. And that's about 12% higher here. So, not like a screamer, like a crypto or anything, but, a nice steady uptrend that has the potential for a retest of some highs from back here in April of 2022. So the nice thing is they don't have earnings until March, so you have time for this trend to play out. So definitely keep an eye on Franco Nevada. Look for a pullback buy to the moving averages, along with some other gold miners that are looking really good right now. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and you should definitely check out what we're doing over at Stock and Option Market Mentor. Click the link below, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.